Hi, today we are going to solve two-sum problem with Rust. Here's the problem description. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such as they add up to the target. You may assume that each input will have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Let's review these examples. Here our target number is 9 and the output is 1 and 3, which are indices of 2 and 7. In the next example, the target number is 6, which is a sum of 2 and 4, and the indices of these numbers are 1 and 2. The first solution is brute force, where we iterate through each number and add it to another number and we check if it is equal to target. For example, 15 plus 2 is not equal to 9, 15 plus 11 is not equal to 9, and 15 plus 7 is also not equal to 9. Let's check next number. 2 plus 11 is not equal to 9, and finally 2 plus 7 equal to 9. This solution is straightforward and it has time complexity O(n) squared and space complexity is O1. Now let's see the one-pass solution. We have a hash map where the key of the hash map will be the number from the array, and the value of the hash map will be an index from the array. Firstly, we will subtract number from the target. For example, 9 minus 15, and we will get minus 6. Now we will check if it is in a hash map. No, it's not. Now we will put the number, in our case 15, to hash map and index for its 0. The next number is 2, and we will subtract it from 9 and check if it is in a hash map. It's not, we will put it to hash map with the number 2 and index 1. The next number 11, and we got minus 2, but we don't have it. So let's also add it to our hash map. The next number is 7, and we got 2. We can see that we have it in our hash map and the indices are 1 and 3. Now let's go to the coding part. First, we will create a mutable hash map called map where we'll store the same number. Then we need to iterate through the nums array where I is the index and num is a reference to the value at that index. We are trying to get a needed number when we added it to num and it will give a target number. Then we need to check if that needed value exists in the map. If we have it, we will return a vector containing the indices of the two numbers. Otherwise, we insert the number into the map with the index. If no pair is found, we return empty vector. This is the whole solution. Thank you.